We're Sarah and Kate, and this is everything we did on our week aboard P&O's IONA visiting Stavanger, Alesund, Olden and Haugesund for our first Norwegian Fjords cruise. For our second port day, this time docking at Alesund, we decided we wanted to go up to the Viewpoint, which is free to do. Once you reach the top, there's toilets, a cafe for food, ice cream and drinks. At first the morning was cloudy and overcast, so we decided to delay it a bit and book the HoHo bus, which is a hop-on and hop-off type. We hadn't pre-booked this or gone through P&O for any excursions for this port, but it was really simple to just get off the ship and head to the HoHo counters. There will be two, which both look very similar. One is official and the other is not. No difference in price, but one had an additional stop if you wanted to go to one of the outdoor museums. We went with the official tour, but just be aware if you get off or try to get on at any other point which bus you booked with. One ticket is yellow and the other is white, so be sure to check you're getting on the right bus. The tour did a full loop of the city with audio before it does a second rotation for any stops you want to visit. If you're travelling with young children or want to visit yourself, we spoke to several people who recommended the aquarium, which was one of the stops on our tour. The bus also stops at the Viewpoint, so this is where we got off. If you want to walk up to the Viewpoint, it's about 450 steps, so something to keep in mind if you're considering the trek up there. We definitely recommend visiting the Viewpoint in the afternoon in case it's cloudy in the morning. The majority of people seem to want to do this as their first activity, so the steps were busy then. You could see a lot of people going up and down, but in the afternoon it was much quieter, and you got the amazing views without the crowds. There's also a land train that will take you to the Viewpoint. This takes an hour, but like the bus, is much more accessible for those with reduced mobility. After a little more exploring, we were back on the ship for 4 PM and we didn't have anything booked for dinner, but decided to go to the Keel and Cow, which was an extra charge. There were plenty of seats as it was off normal meal times and lots of people were still enjoying the port. We really loved this meal. It was one of our favourite dinners, very similar to what you'd find in a UK gastropub. We had baked camembert cheese and breads, and for mains chose a burger and steak. After watching the sail away from Olden, we saw the Privateers at the Headliners Theatre. They're a fantastic sea shanty folk group that was one of our favourite entertainments we saw that week, and one of the best we've seen on P&O. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment below and like and subscribe for more videos like this.